Hey everybody, it's Mitchell here, coming to you through my YouTube channel, The Added Voice. That's a pretty big block. I'll show me also cleaning one rim and one tire. I'm not going to show you all of them because it'll take up too much time. Anyways, we'll go ahead and transition over there. I'll get everything ready. And then I'll be back with you to show you how to clean this rim. Hey guys, we're at the rim now. Again, before I show you what chemicals I use and how I do the rim and tire, I want to acknowledge that under no circumstances am I being paid by Meguiar's. I've just used every chemical there is because I've owned detailing business for quite a while. I've tried just about everything there is. Chemical guys, I mean, popular names down to the lower names. And Meguiar's has been the best, most consistent. Meguiar's hot rims, wheel and tire cleaner. This is a all wheel and tire cleaner. Works great, suds up, foams up really good. But just to make sure, I got a wheel cleaner, and this is a new one. Well, it might not be new, but it's new for me. I've never seen it before in my numerous years doing this. I am not sponsored by Meguiar's. I sprayed the tire. I sprayed the tire with this. I sprayed it with water. You always want to get it wet with water. You want to drench it before you spray it. Either one of these on here, because it's some strong stuff. As you can see, as I'm spraying it on there, you'll start to see it's already keeping the dirt up there. And part of that brown is rubber. That's how strong this stuff is. Depending on how dirty the rim is and depending on how old the rim is and what material it is, depends on how long that keeps on. Because this is the older model car and this is the original rim that came on it. I don't feel safe leaving it on there for more than a minute. So as soon as I get my spraying it, I'll get my slip ring. So you want to make sure you cover the whole rim and the whole tire. Here's the tire sponges that I use. You got the round tire sponge. It's rounded. And that's what you'll see that I scrub the outside of the tire with, or the tire itself. Then you got this. It's a rim cleaner. That's what it's called. But I've always used this, not because that was what they made it for. It's just, I use one of the small disposable sponges, but here's my suds. I'll dip it in there real good. The outside first. Now make sure I get it all the way around, like 3 times at least. Some of that's dirt. You think you got it good enough? Rinse it off, thorough. So you get all that stuff. You don't want to leave none of it on there. It will stain and rinse. See how nice and shiny that is? I hadn't even polished it yet. When it comes to the polish, metal polish, chrome polish, aluminum polish, whatever type of metal it is, I typically use Mothers. I learned that through experience as well. Hey everybody. Still the same video. It really looks nice now that I've shined it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and I'm going to show you how to do Rain-X with the specialty fog sponge. When you do the Rain-X, you want to make sure it's even. You want to make sure it's proportional. So you want to make sure you get half on this side, and that side you want to do the other. You see the bottom. You see the can. You see the difference. This is spray much easier. Don't have to spray as much. But since I ran off and it took me 2 minutes more, going and blowing periodically, enough to dry things up relatively quick. I'm going to spray a little bit more on there. That way I know it's getting on there. The Rain-X formula is anyways. Then I'm going to do a square first. Then I'm going to come back and notice.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're
really
moving in another direction,
distinct
don't
marks.
worry, I get it.
I'm gonna try to get them
I
out.
meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna
Believe it
look
or
at
not,
a house in the garden.
The less you
Never
clean your
wanna lock
windows
you
and take care of your
down.
windows,
I know
the
you're
more they'll
not
get funky.
mine.
So
It's
I'm
just
not
my
saying
turn.
it's
We
dirt.
can still have fun for now.
I'm saying stain.
No, I never
Stain
wanna
on
play
windows.
happy
Water
families
spots
with you,
that
but
haven't been washed
like
off.
having you around.
I would have to. I'd have to clay
This
bar
is
them
a
off.
flash in the pan.
And sometimes the clay
We
bar
can still have fun for
you have to get
now.
an acid.
Yeah, we can
Which I
still
have
have fun for now. Oh, we can still have
Then
fun
after you
for
do
now.
that, just take this nice little handy dandy sponge and just wipe over it. Just get the contents off, make it look red. And there you are, you're halfway done on the windshield with the Rain-X. Isn't that awesome? I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the windows. Said, like, share, comment, subscribe. As always, I love you. Peace.